Startup Stories in association with Olook.in. In 1966, a 16-year-old boy suffering from dyslexia dropped out of school only to build a multi-billion-dollar empire. He's the man whose life has been an amazing and inspirational adventure that anyone can learn from. He's one of the richest people in the world today, fourth by wealth in the UK. He's currently 66 and his net worth is estimated at around $4.9 billion. The man we are talking about today is none other than Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group Limited. Virgin Group is a venture capital conglomerate company based out of Great Britain, which consists of more than 400 different businesses from around the globe. Richard Charles Nicholas Branson was born on 18 July 1950 in England. His father Edward James Branson worked as a barrister, while his mother Eve Branson was employed as a flight attendant. As Richard struggled with dyslexia, it was very hard for him to be an ordinary student. So he dropped out of school when he was only 16 years old and started his first project, which was a youth culture magazine called Student. The revenue from the first circulation was around $8,000 from advertisements. The money covered the cost, so he distributed all of the 50,000 copies for free. Well, the project was an overnight success and it made the initial boost of his career as an entrepreneur. Later in 1969, Branson decided to get involved in the business with records. This is how he started Virgin, which was a mail order company for selling records. He opened a record shop in London which wasn't a huge success, but it provided him the so needed capital to expand further. A few years later, in 1972, Richard opened his own recording studio called Virgin Records. Since then, many famous artists, musicians and bands hired the studio for their recordings. The first artist on the Virgin Records label was Mike Oldfield, who recorded the song Tubular Bells. Later, bands like Culture Club, Rolling Stones and many others recorded their first albums there, and soon, Virgin Records Studio became one of the top recording studios. This was the first company in the vast Virgin Empire that rules the business world today. Branson expanded his entrepreneurial efforts even further, this time to include the travel company The Voyager Group in 1980, the airline Virgin Atlantic in 1984 and a series of Virgin megastores. But Branson's success was not always predictable. His journey was not only glory and success. In 1992, his company Virgin Group Limited fell in a bad financial situation and was struggling for its survival. Later, failing to clear the debts, Virgin Group was sold to EMI Group for around $1 billion. This was like a defeat for Branson and he was totally devastated. He apparently cried days and nights after the deal was over. But after a few years later, he started his entrepreneurial journey yet again. He was really excited to enter the music business once again, and he founded V2 Records. Later in 1993, he got into the railroad business by the company Virgin Trains. The same year, he also started Virgin Radio. The Virgin Empire did not just stop at the trains. Virgin Airlines followed, and then came the very popular Virgin Galactic, a space tourism company which he announced with the aid of Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen and Burt Rutan. He partnered with Scaled Composites to form the Spaceship Company, which is currently developing a suborbital space plane. In April 2013, the project made an impressive leap forward with the test launch of Spaceship 2. Branson was delighted by the success of his spaceship's first test. Well, Branson is also known for his sporting achievements. He challenged himself with many record-breaking adventures, including the fastest ever Atlantic Ocean crossing, a series of hot air balloon adventures and kite surfing across the English Channel. Well, Richard Branson was not just another typical business tycoon trying to spread his empire and make money. He cared for the world and its good, and thus he founded Virgin Unite, a non-profit organization with the help of which he has done some great charity work. Virgin Unite is the working name of the Virgin Foundation, an independent charitable arm of the Virgin Group. Created by Richard Branson and Virgin employees in September 2004, Virgin Unite pools volunteering efforts from across the Virgin Group and its hundreds of subsidiaries and associated companies to grow the efforts of the smaller grassroots charitable organizations. Partnered with more than a dozen charities worldwide, The company also provides a resource through the internet by serving as an online donation center for those wanting to contribute. The primary aims of the foundation are to make sustainable change through economic development towards tough social and environmental issues. These include addressing the issue of delivering healthcare to rural parts of Africa. Branson and Virgin underwrite all the operating costs of this charitable organization so that 100% contributions can be applied towards causes. Well, it's no surprise that he had some rare honors bestowed upon him. He won the Tony Janus Award, the German Media Prize, the ISTA Prize, and quite a few honorary doctorates as well. It's hard to believe that someone could achieve all that much in just a lifetime. Well, Branson's Virgin Group now holds more than 200 companies across 30 countries. He's the only entrepreneur to build 8 separate billion-dollar companies in 8 different industries. Well, calling him one of the biggest muggles of 20th and 21st century wouldn't be an exaggeration. Startup Stories salutes the courage and determination of Richard Branson. We wish the best for him and the Virgin Group and hope they keep inspiring the generations to come. Thank you so much everyone for suggesting us to do a story on Richard Branson and the Virgin Group. We hope you liked it. Do let us know whose story do you want to see next in the comment section below, and we'll soon have it uploaded on this channel. For more inspirational stories and updates from the startup world, visit our website startupstories.in. Also, do watch our videos in Telugu and Tamil by following the links.